Excuse me, I need some help, please.
Of course, welcome to the post office. What can I do for you today?
Well, I sent a package to my sister 2 weeks ago, but she says it never arrived.
Oh no, that's not good. Do you have the tracking number?
Tracking number. Let me check my bag. I have so much stuff in here.
Take your time. It's usually on the receipt from when you sent the package.
Okay, I found it. Here you go. Sorry, my bag is like a small universe.
Ha, I know the feeling. My wife's purse is the same. Let me look this up in the system.
Thank you so much. I'm really worried. It was her birthday present.
I understand. Okay, I see the package here. It says it's at a post office in her city.
Really? But she didn't get any notice about it.
Sometimes the notice card gets lost. It happens more than you'd think.
That's a little ironic, isn't it? The post office loses the mail about the mail.
Ha, you're right, that is funny. But don't worry, the actual package is safe.
Oh, what a relief. So what should she do now?
She can go to her local post office with her ID. They'll give her the package.
Perfect, I'll call her right away. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Actually, yes. I want to send another package, this time to my mom.
Sure thing, where does your mom live?
She lives in Canada. Is that more expensive?
Yes, international shipping costs more. How big is the package?
It's about this big. It's a sweater I made for her.
That's so sweet, you made it yourself. Let me weigh it for you.
Yes, I learned to knit last year. It's not perfect, but she'll love it anyway.
Moms always love homemade gifts the most. Okay, it weighs about 1 kilogram.
How much will it cost to send it?
For standard shipping, it's $25. It takes about 2 weeks.
2 weeks, her birthday is in 10 days. Is there a faster option?
Yes, express shipping takes 5 to 7 days, but it costs $45.
Ouch, that's almost double. But I guess I have to. It's for mom.
Good choice, moms are worth it. Do you need any boxes or tape?
I already put it in a box, but maybe I need more tape. It looks a bit weak.
Let me see. Yes, I think we should add some tape. We don't want it to open during the trip.
That would be terrible. Please add more tape. How much is that?
The tape is free. It's part of our service. There you go, nice and secure.
Wow, thank you. You're so helpful. Do I need to fill out any forms?
Yes, for international packages, you need to fill out a customs form.
Customs form? That sounds complicated. What do I write?
Don't worry, it's easy. Just write what's inside and how much it's worth.
Okay, so I write handmade sweater and how much is a homemade sweater worth?
Just estimate maybe $30 or $40. It doesn't have to be exact.
I'll say 35. They're all done. What else do I need to do?
Just pay and you're all set. That'll be $45, please.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Absolutely, we accept all major cards. Just tap or insert your card here.
Done. Will I get a tracking number for this one too?
Yes, and this time, please don't lose it in your bag universe.
I promise I'll put it somewhere safe. Maybe I'll take a photo of it.
Smart idea, here's your receipt. The tracking number is at the bottom.
Perfect, and I just took a photo. Thank you so much for all your help today.
My pleasure, I hope your mom loves the sweater. Have a great day.
You too, and thanks for saving my sister's birthday present.
Anytime, that's what we're here for. Take care and come back soon.